at East Cardston. A lot of people now are going packs. When it's 25, 20 minus, 30 minus, and then wind chills, you can only open up the air so much and you get fog. And these people tell me that's when they use this. And there's another colony at Walterton just up the road, do the same thing. I've been watching buildings for a lot of years. Condensing is very hard on a building. It costs a lot of money to replace the ceiling. But here it is to help it dry it up. And that's mess for the animals, and they're be much cleaner. And people find it's a bit of a problem with the pack, and have the rototiller with less. So it works pretty good. But here's your big radiant heater all the way down, and then you have another 2 burners at this end and 2 burners at that end, tied together with 1 fan, I believe, and 1 fan in the middle controls 4 burners, and same over there. Looks pretty good.